Another quick CNC slash shouse update. Got the trim router installed. And in the back here, we now have X bracing, along with some reinforcements up front, side braces, braces on the carriage. It got stiffer. Now I'm getting flex in the rails and the base plate, so I'm going to throw some bearings on the base plate. Hopefully that'll eliminate some of that. And, yep, everything's a mess. Got the computer. Got rid of the stairs. Putting in shelves and little storage containers. The plan is to have a whole bunch of shelves and then a flap that lifts up as a work table that I can put back down, and it covers the shelf cubby hole type things. And we have to build an enclosure for the CNC. It puts off a really fine dust, and yeah, you start choking after a minute or two. But it seems to work fairly well. But yeah, gotta build an enclosure. We're doing some remodeling. That's about it for now. Peace.